Get ready to learn 10 amazing facts about parrots, which you may not have known about. Species diversity. There are over 400 species of parrots inhabiting various corners of the world, ranging from tropical forests to desert regions. Bright plumage. Parrots are known for their vibrant plumage, which serves as a signal for attracting mates and deterring predators. Sound imitation. Many parrots are capable of mimicking human speech and other sounds, as well as replicating sounds from their environment. Social nature. Parrots are highly social birds. They possess social structures, live in groups, and maintain contact with other individuals. Longevity. Many parrot species have long lifespans. For example, macaws can live to be over 80 years old. Intelligence. Parrots are considered some of the most intelligent birds. They can solve complex puzzles and learn to perform various tasks. Even territorial behavior. Some parrot species exhibit a strong sense of territory. They defend their area from competitors. Diet. In general, parrots consume fruits, nuts, seeds, and flowers. However, some species also eat insects and other small animals. Social play. In the wild, parrots often engage in various social play activities, such as kissing or exchanging food. Family bonds. Certain parrot species, like macaws for example, develop strong family bonds and remain faithful to their partners for life. Subscribe to my channel and like it for more amazing facts.